Can you see it or not?
Maybe go.
Are we a yes now, you guys? And are we still a yes? All right. I did everything the same. I'm not sure what happened the first time, but we're good. Okay. So here we go. And you'll tell me again just interrupt me if it's not working. All right. I'm just going to give you an example right now. I'm going to play like a few seconds. Just watch this. Literally, you can do entire faceless channels like this. Ready? Here we go. Hold on. The volume went out right when I pressed play.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to vlog episode number 3 of the AI Fashionista. In today's vlog, I'm going to share some amazing AI tools that you can use to create content for your TikTok account. You'll learn how to create stunning images, turn them into talking avatars, and edit them in just minutes using CapCut. So with that being said, let's get started with today's episode. The first tool I want to share with you today is Midjourney. This is the platform I use to create the images you see in my videos. In order to get Midjourney on your computer, you'll need to download an app called Discord, which is 100% free and easy to install. Once you have it installed, simply visit the Midjourney website and create a new account and join their Discord channel. Then you navigate to one of their newbie rooms where you can type in prompts and...
So as you can see here, this avatar goes and it shows you everything.
The first step is to create a free account with...
Shows how to set up accounts, how to create the talking avatars, give them strips.
How this one looks. You can type anything that you want to say right here, and the avatar will speak.
Yeah, so as you can see here, this is just an example. Hold on. What do you guys think? Like, I want to give you some perspective. This right here is an example of a video that we just did. I just did that one right there, tinkering around in my spare time. Mike did one too. We both were like, hey, let's just do a little AI tutorial videos. That right there, I could just feed it any script. Hey, what's up? My name is I'm the AI Fashionista. I just got done with day 2 in the AI Academy, and today I'm going to recap everything we learned. Here's 10 points that I'm going to cover today. Boop, 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 boop. You just feed it a script, and it talks.